If you have been wondering how can you delete YouTube videos using only your mobile device, so maybe your Android phone or your iPhone, it doesn't matter. So today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. You only need the app, no browser, nothing else, no third-party app, of course only your YouTube app. So let's jump right into it. First, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to be fully functionable and to have no problems. So after updating the YouTube app, you can finally quit the store and we can go ahead and open YouTube. Make sure, of course, you have connected to the channel that you want to delete the videos from, and then tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture. Now tap on your channel, and then from your channel, you might think if you tap on the three dots next to the video, you'll be able to delete them from here. No, you're wrong. So let me show you how you do it. Tap on videos, tap on manage videos right here. And now from here, you find all of your videos on your channel, the private and the public ones. All you need to do to delete the videos is to tap on the three dots right next to them, and then from here you can delete them, or you can just hide them from public. So tap on edit, tap on privacy, and you can right here change the privacy to private, and only you will be able to see them. And of course, again, you can choose to delete them, and this is what you are here for. So tap on delete after tapping on those three dots, tap on delete to confirm the action, and voila, you have deleted that video permanently from your channel. Just like that, as easy as that. You can do that to every single video on YouTube, of course, on your channel. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions down below. Of course, subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.